Today in the shop, we're going to be looking at a 2022 F-150 displaying a pre-collision assist not available message in the instrument cluster. On startup, you get a pre-collision assist not available message, and if you drive this vehicle on the highway and turn on the cruise control, you immediately get an adaptive cruise not available message. I'm going to start diagnosis by pulling all the codes on this, and I'm going to be using ForeScan Lite today along with an OBD2 MX Plus Bluetooth adapter. In the cruise control module, we have a B142E, forward-looking sensor horizontal alignment. So let's take a quick look at what the alignment off PID in the cruise control module is reading. The alignment off PID is how far the horizontal alignment or right-left alignment of the cruise control module is off from straight ahead. It needs to be plus or minus 3 degrees of straight ahead, and its reading our offset is 5.1 degrees, so I think we found our problem. So let's take a quick look at our front radar sensor, and that's built right into the cruise control module. And I shot the cover for that halfway across the shop. The mounting bracket for our cruise control module looks good. I don't see any visual damage. It doesn't look like the vehicle has hit anything. Vertical alignment for the cruise control module is adjustable, but there is no adjustment for horizontal alignment or right-left alignment on this. It's done with a software calibration. I'm going to go ahead and snap the cover back on that, and we are going to run an on-demand self-test on that just to see if it kicks up any additional codes. To run an on-demand self-test on that, you go into tests. I'm going to scroll down until I get to cruise control module, and then we're just going to select on-demand self-test. And we just got the same B142E, no additional codes. At this point, I think we're going to try and do a recalibration of the horizontal alignment on the cruise control module. To recalibrate the cruise control module, I'm going to select services, and then we are going to scroll down the list until we find cruise control module. And then we're going to select calibrate cruise control sensors. The vehicle will need to be driven above 30 miles an hour to allow the cruise control module to recalibrate, and this typically does take 10 or 15 minutes to do. Once the alignment procedure is started, you will get a new message in the instrument cluster that says front sensor not aligned. I usually like to go out on a flat straight section of highway to perform this, and once the procedure is completed, the message on the dash will just disappear. But after about 30 minutes of driving in this vehicle, the message never disappeared, and ForeScan does display the percent finished on the screen, and I don't think it ever got above 74%. So since the horizontal alignment won't recalibrate, we're going to have to replace the cruise control module on this. We're going to start by pulling the bezel back off. And yes, I shot it across the shop a second time. The cruise control module snaps down into its mounting bracket, so we're just going to snap that up and then try and wiggle it out of there, and then unplug the electrical connector. We've got our new cruise control module, so let's go ahead and get the electrical connector plugged in, and let's try and get it wiggled into the bracket, and it just snaps down into it. And we'll go ahead and put our trim bezel back on. The cruise control module is a programmable module, and I think you probably could configure it with the paid laptop version of ForeScan. But since I had to grab a laptop anyway, I'm just going to use FDRS today to go ahead and configure it. So I'm going to select programmable module installation and run that. We will need to run the cruise control sensor calibration again, but this time, unlike last time, after about 10 minutes of driving, the message went away and the calibration was completed. Out of curiosity, I pulled up what the horizontal offset was on the new cruise control sensor, and the new one read within half a degree. If you found this helpful or interesting, please click the like button. I got a lot more great stuff coming up, so please subscribe. And as always, have a great week.